How to get girls only on Ome TV. Now, in this video, I'll show you one method for you to be able to filter out all females only on Ome TV. So first things first, before you go ahead and log in into your Ome TV account, you just have to create a new tab in the current browser you're using. All you have to do is to access the Chrome Web Store, which is usually located at the very first result right here. Next thing you want to do is to download and add an extension to the browser that you're using. That's going to be Video Chat Extension IP Locator. Now just simply run and install this specific extension on your browser and then filter out all females only, and it will automatically next on male users. Now once you access the video chat extension, all you have to do before running Omi TV on your current browser is to make sure to get full attention to the details that is going to be adding here directly from the extension, like the layout and display, and so on and so forth. Now, if you would like a run through about using this specific IP or video chat extension, you can click the start a demo for you to be able to completely use it and activate the extension. And that is how you get girls only on Omi TV.